Hi friends, I am Harsha Vardhan. Today, welcome to our CHV Updates channel. Today our topic is about fractions. Let us see about first of all contents. First content is what is fraction. We learn the definition of fraction. Next content is types of fractions. There we will learn how many fractions there are. We will learn there are proper fractions, improper fractions, mixed fractions, like fractions, unlike fractions, equivalent fractions. What is fraction is our first topic. A part of whole is known as fraction. Here I am showing a picture in the given image. Here there is a circle we can see, and I divided that circle into 4 parts. And that 4 parts I shaded 1 part and I unshaded 3 parts. Here in the above picture, shaded part equal to 1 by 4 because I shaded here only 1 part and the circle is divided into 4 parts. So total parts are 4. Shaded part equal to 1 by 4. Unshaded part equal to 3 by 4 because I did not shaded 3 parts and total parts are 4. Like that 3 by 4. Next topic is types of fractions, friends. First, we will learn about proper fraction. The fraction in which numerator smaller than denominator is known as proper fraction. Example 2 by 7, 3 by 6, 4 by 8. Improper fraction. The fraction in which numerator is greater than denominator is known as improper fraction. Examples 9 by 3, 4 by 3. Friends, next we will learn about mixed fractions. The combination of a whole number and a proper fraction is known as mixed fractions. Example 1 whole 2 by 5, 2 whole 6 by 7. Like fractions. The fraction with the same denominators are called as like fractions. Example 2 by 7, 3 by 7, 4 by 7, 5 by 7. Friends, next we will learn about unlike fractions. The fractions which are having different denominators are called as unlike fractions. Examples 3 by 6, 4 by 9, 2 by 3, 7 by 4. Next we will learn about equivalent friends. On multiplying or on dividing numerator and denominator of the fraction by a non-zero integer, we get equivalent fractions on the given fractions. Let us take one example for understanding. Let us take 12 by 15, a fraction. I want to multiply it by 2. So, I am taking numerator, I am multiplying numerator by 2 and denominator also by 2. And 12 into 2 is equal to 24 and 15 into 2 equal to 30. 24 by 30. Thank you friends for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to CHV Updates. Follow us on Telegram. We have given link in description.